Hi, good day. This is Alexis from Internet Wealth Seeker. So, in today's reviews, I would like to actually walk through with you about this new training program, BYTE, right? So, BYTE basically is a training program that show you how Andy is able to make 300 to 500 daily with cryptocurrency regardless of the Bitcoin's price, right? So you don't have even to have to invest a penny, right? So in this training program, Andy, who is a curator for this course together with Jono Armstrong, he's going to showcase to you, he's going to disclose to you every trick strategy he used to make ladies 300 to 500 from crystal currency without investing a single penny, right? So this is basically what BYTE is all about, right? So this training program is to be launched today, 9 a.m. EXT, right? Together, this is a partnership between Jono Armstrong and Andy, and as you know, Jono Armstrong is one of the very top internet marketer, right, in this industry, right? So a little bit about this is so you can invest in crypto. Is a it's very profitable way online niche right nowadays. People is all rushing to learn about crypto, and I'm sure you don't want to miss the boat also, right? But as a beginner, you want to invest in crypto, you may end up losing money because you don't know how to get started. You don't know the in and out. You don't know how to avoid those, right? So in this it's very risky, if you have to go this done without you any guidance, right? So we buy, you don't have to worry about losing money investing in the crypto because buy they have a complete system, it's a proven system they have been using to make daily 300 to 500. So this one you can just duplicate and just implement accordingly. So the system allows you to make thousands of dollars for crypto. You don't have to invest a penny. You don't have to do mining. You don't have to hold your coin token. You have to do training. So this blueprint, this strategy is going to disclose to you inside this BYTE. Okay, right? So this is a system we fill your wallet with the coin $1,000, 100% free, right? So this is what you're going to discover, right? Is how to grow your Bitcoin balance to over 91,000. And the bigger mistake you're likely to make with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and how to avoid those mistakes, right? And choose exact step-by-step method to multiply Bitcoin balance, and the key to making this work in 30 to 60 seconds, right? So the secret to type into the 1.9x blockchains to hold the right and long way to grow your crypto profile, right? So etc. So everything you need to learn about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin investment is all bundled into here one single program. You just need to pay $17, right? So this is how it works, right? So you log into the system, right, and you can follow a fail-proof instruction. There's a step-by-step instruction. The video course will show you how we can actually implement this cryptocurrency hack, right? You can start profiting. It's only 3 single steps, right? So this is a possible income you can make using this, right? It is a simple system, right? So what you'll be getting inside this program, right, in the front end is on this 1695, right? So you're going to have access to the member area. You can full access to the BYTE member area, which give you the tool you need to use Andrew's free crypto strategy hack. So this step-by-step video training, they will show you every step involved in Angel's fixed crypto strategy, right? And this is a mobile edition. You can uncover how to make this work not only on the desktop but on mobile device. So you can learn how you can actually start investing crypto using your mobile. You don't have to on your PC every time. So support is going to get support and much more, right? So if you're interested, just click on this yellow buttons, right? So how much does this BYTE cost? The price is a front end is a 16.95. It's a full-fledged complete video training courses which disclose Andrew's free strategy 5 method how to actually profit from the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. It's upgrade 1, upgrade 2, and upgrade 3, right? Again, so this is optional, but with this front end, you're able to have full access. You're just beginner newbie in this cryptocurrency. I think the front end will actually will open your eye how this whole thing will work, right? So I encourage you to jump on it right now, and upon launch, the system is going to be launched in the next few hours, right? and it's only 1697, right? So it's a benefit. So you're going to able to make 300 to 500, which easily you can quit your job, right? Without you even have to work anymore with this 300 to 500 daily with this cryptocurrency profit, right? Nothing technical. And this is a newly friendly, and this is a someone to come with 365 money back guarantee, right? And here is my recommendation. So why you go and figure out yourself and you like to learn how to profit for cryptocurrency, you are newbie, you are struggling, and if you are trying to make money online with others niche, but why don't you just try this? And just your investment is only 1697, and you're able to learn everything and you have been implemented, right? And this is definitely I will encourage you to actually jump on it right now, and upon the launch by only 1697, right? So how to make three-figure training cryptocurrency without prior experience, and you don't have to fork out even a single penny, right? So with this, I have under a lot of bonuses, right? So if you buy the front end, which is a full fat of training courses, right? I'm going to give you also my 3 special bonuses, right? 1, 2, 3. This is the one. If you buy, you're going to have access to my 50,000 Make Money Online subscriber. You can start promoting them with the affiliate marketing product. And this is a on product also access to PLR Vault, access to 6,000 PLR ebook and video. And in this PLR Vault, there are some also PLR ebook and video pertaining to the cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, or you can actually easily download and also sell it in the bundle or give it away as a free gift. So this is the third special bonus. This is my latest product on the work access to 6 Make Money on that monthly training program, right? So this is if you buy the front end is only 16.97, but if you buy the front end together with any annual upgrade, you are entitled to get my special bonus, right? So again, if you just want to buy the front end, it's a 1697. You can have access to Jono, Armstrong, and Brandon May at the HQ product worth, right? And this many years, these two guys have been making a lot of. There are 6, 7 figures internet marketer. They're making monthly 50 to 100,000. So you can access to their high quality product by Jono, Armstrong, and Blendon. This is a product worth by Jono and also by Blendon. So you're going to have my Bitcoin's profit secret. This is a blueprint. You can discover one of the method and technique used by the most successful Bitcoin investors, so you can profit and succeed and can replicate the same method also. And then what is your ultimate method to growing your money with cryptocurrency? This is focusing on the cryptocurrency as overall. Cryptocurrency, how you can learn cryptocurrency, and what is the secret, right? This is all full-fledged video training, ebook, everything is here. This is also come with the ebook and full-fledged video training, right? And this option training is another bonus that you'll be getting option training. So you may want to explore others trainings. Investment option. This is option training secret. You're going to learn about how to do option training. And here is a super affiliate software funnel and 250 funnel offer. Here is a super affiliate software funnel. This is a super affiliate. You can sell it and keep 100% of profit. And this is a funnel builder. You can use it to build any sales funnel. Again, I have an agency Turnkey business kit here, right? Web design agency, video agency, SEO agency, and you can establish yourself as an agency for all SEO, for the web design, and also for the video agency as well, right? And I have the eCom store builder, WooCommerce, and also VidBuilder, and this is again another with the awesome bonus, right? And you can also have my bonus video hub, video subscription membership platform. And this is a YouTube video to WordPress plugin. You can allow user to import your video into WordPress in an easier way also. So these are the already high quality bonuses. And again, I have also 5,000 OYT free stock in any niche, 3,000 email motivation code for your social posting need. And this is an exclusive collection of 4,000 HD video motivation. You are running a YouTube channel on motivation, fitness, yoga, or cooking. You can use this as your video content. You don't have to figure out how to make your own video, how to record your own video. This is all high converting video. You can easily build your YouTube channel, right? You can have a 250 giveaway high quality video exclusive posted by our in-house team. And audio track is audio's software, right? This audio, you can build your audio track using this audio wizard, and with a website hack, how to double and triple your sale using this website hack, and also YouTube hack 2021, how to actually use this hack to optimize your YouTube channel, right? YouTube video. And this my secret about 15 free traffic source you can leverage on the 15 free traffic source to promote any product, email service, email SaaS app to increase your email click and open rate, and traffic cloud app, Chrome plugin for TikTok and Instagram traffic. Also here, this is how to get your free traffic from the social media, and I have this top 6 paid underground traffic so for your UI site, and this is SEO tool, YouTube channel SEO, and this is the strategy how to make money on the without you selling anything, high ticket system, exclusive video training, how to sell high ticket product and make huge commission, right? And giveaway, this 100 giveaway to build a list. You can use it to build your list. Here is a video, ebook, software, everything. You can give it away as a free gift. And here is a 200 and this cost special bonus giveaway. Just have a look into here what's inside here. This is a 200 bonus bundle. So you're going to have this 3,000 email swap, complete email marketing video training course, and over 100 of high quality software. Again, this is a bundle of the Jono and this who planners 80s top video training courses, right? So everything you'll be getting just for the price of 1697, right? So if you get any other upgrade, definitely I'm going to give you my 3-way special bonus here. And overall, if you buy the front end and also any other OTO, you'll be getting over 6,000 bonuses, then work over 330,000, right? Everything just or you one time buy 1697, or you plus the OTO is even less than 100 loaded, right? So so if this is a cup your tea and you would like to learn how to profit from cryptocurrency, apart from affiliate marketing, apart from creating your own digital product, then this is a product you should be going for, right? This bite definitely will open your eye how you can learn everything you need to know, how you can learn from Andrew. Andrew have practiced, have implemented all this method, and he's going to show you step by step inside this training program how you can actually duplicate and also his success. And also I'm sure this is going to help you in your in your learning about this cryptocurrency. So jump on it right now, right? This is the product is going to be launched on this today 9 a.m. EXT, just a few hours from now, right? So I'm sure this is going to help you to take your overall online business to the next level, and you are going to profit a lot from this cryptocurrency by following every strategy, every tactic taught by Andrew together with Jono. So thank you and have a nice day. Do remember, jump on my bonuses. I only have dividend bonuses for the first 30 fast action takers. So jump on it right now during the launch deploy on only 1697. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.